the island this morning to plant some trees. I don't know if we've mentioned it before, but there's an island, which is really cool. So there's actually 3 islands, but this is the big one and the other 2 are fairly small. So this one we want to plant some trees on. You can see kind of back there in the distance is the old cabin site, and then over that way you might be able to see the campsite that we have. So it's a pretty big island and we need some trees on it. So we're gonna get planting.
Anything that grow in that.
Hey, who's that? Who's that, little girl? Did you make it across? You made it across, Esme? Hi.
Oh yeah, that's nice wet soil. Better to drill.
Good girl, Aspen. Come on.
Yay, you did it, buddy.
Come on. Come on, Aspen. What? I don't know. Come on, Aspen. Come on, good girl. Oh, good girl.
Good girl, come on. You want?
Come on.
Should I help her? Oh, what a good girl.
Come on, this way.
Good girl, Aspen.
girl.
That's super wet. I don't even need to water that.
You should just
Okay.
getting started.
It's like 100% wet.
Oh my god. Oh, that just about went into the top of my boot. You got that chocolate bar energy now.
Don't know how much
I toss a willow in there. One or the other. Oh, this is Okanese poplar. Well, we can
It's
put.
not birch?
No, I've got willow, Okanese poplar, and birch. Let's use all three of them. That's nice.
Here, you do the shoveling.
Oh, I see how it is. There, that one will be good to go. Is it?
No,
It's a pretty thick plug. It'll be fine. Have we planted many Okanese yet?
No.
Okay. Okanese are on the far right.
So have we put birch in yet?
We put birch. Oh, sorry. Birch, acute, and oak.
Careful.
You want to push that tree over?
No, it's like
It needs
I
to.
hold on this to get in.
You can push the aspen.
Yeah.
Push that tree down.
Oh yeah.
Wait, no, you do it.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. You do it. For sure.
You both can. We got lots of trees to come down.
Well, the trees around. I'm gonna. Well, we can go over and cut these bushes down too. Yeah.
So we've got Phillipe and Divine from Off Grid with Phillipe and Divine coming to visit us. As we mentioned before to you guys, they're a lot closer to our new property, so we are excited to have them here today. We're gonna cook up a nice meal. They're trying out the excavator, and we're just catching up.
The opposite.
Is it? You know what you can do? You gotta hop in the middle. You can straight actually. Do you want to take this out?
It's okay.
No.
No.
It's just so different.
I'm gonna trim both of those down.
Oh, actually,
So Divine, this is you're going
Yes, it
backwards.
was.
So you're coming up forward, it's going down, and then coming backwards. It's the opposite. Oh yeah, yeah.
It touches you. It's like
So our machine is the opposite of their machine. So
you have insurance.
we're gonna stand back.
So our excavator is like your tractor.
Yeah.
The reason why it's staying in the ground is because it's the opposite.
Put it anywhere.
Anywhere, it doesn't matter.
It's so different.
Go
You
push
did
down
it.
the trees. Close the door just in case. You should go this way. Push the tree down. Yes, I'm gonna close the door just in case anything comes back to you, okay? The big machine. Here. We can still talk to you.
You have to move the rock.
Guy holding that is not here.
You have to lift it up. Lift up.
She might not know which way to push it.
Yeah.
Keep going. There you go. Yeah. Now you can push it over.
My love, push it from the top.
Up high.
Higher.
That was good. Yeah.
Go. Oh yeah.
Where's it gonna go?
Wow.
Oh, and it took the roots out. Lucky.
Here, push that one too. You gotta get that one down too.
It's gonna snap in the middle. Oh yeah, she got it. Oh, the fun. It's like once I get started in there, I can't stop.
Oh yeah.
You know, like I don't want to get out to pee, you know?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, it's more powerful.
Yeah, a lot more powerful and heavier.
Yeah.
Aspen, you better watch out. You better watch out.
You look like the soil.
You blame him.
500 trees is so many trees.
Yeah.
Professional tree planters plant 1,000 in a day typically when they make good money. That's crazy. I'm not a professional tree planter.
Please God, find the spot without rocks.
Jeez, we need you on every walk we go on. Clearing the trails for us.
What's that say?
I said we need Phil on every walk with us because he's pulling all the branches away.
There's a nice level spot. I'd like to plug a whole bunch of
Smells like skunk cabbage almost.
Huh?
Kind of smells like skunk cabbage. What do you think, Lou?
Done. And it's still nice and wet in there too. That was easy. Yeah. May them all be that easy.
You want to put another one on this?
Sure,
one?
yeah. Yeah, I'll put a couple for sure. Let's get a grove going on in here.
Put some birch in there too.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll have two open here.
Oh,
That's good for birch.
it went well.
Yeah, good.
Nice. And it'll be easy to remember. It's in this little valley.
And there's nothing more wholesome than planting trees with friends. Might have to go a little bit more. There you
We
go.
should put a sign.
Yeah.
Push it in with your feet.
Like that?
Yeah, and then just step on it and like use your body weight.
It's gonna be so beautiful in here. when these start growing.
Yeah.
These grow big and tall.
Nobody touch this tree.
Oh, are there 3?
There?
There's 3.
Or, oh.
That's weird. Yeah, whatever.
This one too has 3.
Interesting. I wonder if they did that on purpose.
The other ones are all 1, but this one is a 3. Oh, fucking mosquitoes. It's like I take my gloves off, I have 4 on my hand.
Thank you.
Great to see you guys.
See you later. See you later.
See you later.
See you
Have
later.
fun, Dave, when you finish your cabin.
Yeah.
Hopefully.